2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, keyless entry, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, fog lights, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, leather seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.